Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the fourth and final week of Kit Conspiracy, which is a series I am doing with MK Gunn over at her channel, Some Assemblage Required. And we are kitting up the exact same papers. We are allowed to pull in any scraps that we may have. We are also allowed to pull in cardstock and embellishments. But the paper, the pattern paper is all the same. And it's been really interesting to see what we have been creating with it because our styles are so very different. And it's been a lot of fun. So this is our final kit. It is based off of the Paper Rose Mountain Trek collection. And so this is our first paper. This could be used for a cut apart, but I'll probably save it and use it for the back side because I really love this yellow and green. So that is Mountain Trek paper A. And this is paper B. I really like the rings on this, and I think I'll probably end up with this side because the reverse. I'm not too crazy about the blue trees. I don't mind the other trees, but you never know. I said that last week where I wasn't keen on a certain piece of paper, and then it ended up being the first one I used. So you never know. And then we have a cut apart sheet. I will probably end up cutting apart some of this because I do have some camping photos that I threw in. And then the reverse side are these birds. And I like them too, but I'm imagining I will probably cut some of this up just because there's not a lot of other embellishments in this that I probably would use because I don't want to cut up the reverse side. So there is this beautiful paper. I really like this one. I have used one sheet of this already, so we each have one sheet of these papers in our kits, but I really like this paper. So I mean, I could easily cut some of this up, but then I couldn't use this side, and that's the side I really like. So we'll see what happens. The nice footprints here would be great for hiking. I do have some camping photos, and I have some photos from archery that I plan on using. So we'll see what we end up with on this one. Phases of the moon. I don't have anything that is a nighttime photo that is currently in the plan to scrapbook, but you never know. I might pull something out. That was Mountain Trek D. This is Mountain Trek F, and I love this paper. My photos go great with this because I've got a lot of yellowy greens in there. And then the back again is another cut apart. Well, it's pattern paper, but you could cut it apart or fussy cut it. And then I wouldn't be able to use the front. So I don't know. I will probably end up keeping that side. Okay, this is just a green kind of distressed looking paper. We each threw one of those in our kit. I don't have any plans to use the back side. In fact, I wrote myself a note here because we put it in for the green side. We didn't put it in for the reverse. So I wrote a note that said, use this side, do not use this side. We each put in a sheet of kind of distressed yellow paper. I think hers is a little lighter than mine. Mine's a little bit brighter. And I won't be using the back because it matches nothing. So we put it in for the yellow side. And then we pulled in the Paper Rose collection, the textures 1.2. And so we thought these colors went really well with what we have. We've got a lot of greens in here, and so that works really well. We have nice wood slice and then some cork. I will probably use the wood slice, but these ones, it could go either way. I really like this piece. It goes so well with that that last piece that I showed you. So I mean, the two go so well together, but we'll see. You just never know what's going to happen when you start cutting it up. The back is this slice of wood that's kind of weathered. So another green, but this green is more like it's got like paint flecks or something on it. There's a lot of texture in that. I don't know if you guys can see that on the screen. It's really pretty. Unusual. This to me looks like a basket weave of some sort. Like this area is raised, and in the opposing ones, or every other one, alternating ones, that's the word, they're depressed. So yeah, kind of interesting looking. So, and then the back is this, looks like it's charred wood, like it's been burnt. And it's really pretty. It kind of almost goes towards the blues, but it's beautiful. So, and then I have this sheet. This is the same sheet, it's just the reverse. So another piece of a slice of wood, and then this white, I don't really know what this is, but it's cool looking. So we have 2 sheets of actually each of these. Sorry, you've already seen some of those. And then we have 1 sheet of this one. I think that's it. Yeah, the rest are, these are duplicates of the others. So 1 kit, 1 sheet of this hexagon, and then the back side is this wood grain that has greens and almost to the blues in it, which I really love. I actually prefer this side, but sometimes you do need a lighter wood. You just never know what you're going to end up with. So that is the kit. These are just 2 repeats of the others. So nothing new there. So come and join us on our channels. We will be sharing our first layout tomorrow, Saturday, and then we will have another layout on Tuesday and Thursday. We may have some layouts in between those days, but those are the days we are committed to posting. And we have no inspiration that we are using this week. So the prior weeks, we either, first week we scrap lifted, or we scrap lifted, then we used sketches, and then we used inspiration, artwork, or things we found on Pinterest. This week we have nothing that we have chosen to work with, so it is really just going to be out of our minds. So we are kind of out of our minds actually, but you know what I mean. So check us out. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.